Hello everyone, Mercedes-Benz is #1 to come to ambient light, but we are afraid that no one be #2, right? So, why do so many Benz lovers to come to our company upgrading ambient light kits? Let's check. Let's get on the car to see this 1/1 mode of the original car is perfectly fit the original car, right? The color you will see seems like piano black color. It looks more high-end and the luminance is more full, isn't it? At the same time, it uses CARDI magic application with 100 kinds of modes to control, which make your driving experience in different atmospheres.